Hi kids. How are you today? Let's learn how to write alphabets. From A till H. A. Start at the top, and draw a slant line down to the left. Then draw another slant line down to the right. Draw a small line across the middle. In this way, you can write A. Now, let's learn how to write B. Draw one straight line down from top to bottom. Then, from the top, make a half circle. Make another half circle. It is the easiest way to write B. C. Start at the top and make a big curve going left. So kids, this is the easiest way to write C. D. Draw one straight line down. Then start from the top and make a big curve to the right and back to the bottom to form D. In this way you can make D easily. E. Draw one straight line down. Then draw one small line at the top. Draw another small line in the middle. Draw the third line at the bottom. So, in this way you can write E. F. Draw one straight line down. Then draw one line at the top. And one smaller line in the middle. In this way you can make F. G. Make a big curve like C. Then add a small straight line inside from the right side. The most simplest way to write G. H. Draw one straight line down. Draw another straight line down next to it. Then connect them with a line in the middle. In this way, you can write H. So kids, today you learned 8 alphabets. Thank you for watching. We will be back with more alphabets. See you again.